Hey friends, today I will explain. I am going to share. I am here and I am. Did you ever face this kind of situation? Why did the words suddenly disappear? They actually didn't disappear. They are in your head, but you cannot find them in time. In today's video, I will give you 3 tips by which you can find words in time without going blank. First tip is make key points. Before giving a speech or make a conversation, just note down what you want to say, and by this way you can find the exact words while making conversation or speaking. By making key notes, you can decrease the chance of forgetting. Regularly practice English speaking, which can help you to build fluency and improve your pronunciation. Third tip is practice deep breathing. When you are very tensed, you will go blank. Then take a deep breath and you will find that words are flowing in your heads without any effort. By following these 3 tips, you can prevent going blank while speaking. Thank you, and if you want to get these kinds of videos, please hit the subscribe button.